Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to discuss on the topic importance of tertiary sector. But before that, let's discuss the historical change in sectors. That means that over the years, how the changes have come in the three different sectors. So, student, generally it has been noted from the histories of many developed countries that at the initial stages of their development, primary sector was the most important sector of economic activity. But then over the years, secondary sector gradually became the most important in total production and employment. But in the past 100 years, there has been a further shift from secondary to tertiary. The service sector, that is the tertiary sector, has become the most important in terms of total production, as most of the working people are also employed in the service sector. Now, if you see the general pattern of the three different sectors in terms of a GDP, you all can see that the graph over here shows the production of goods and services in the three sectors. This is shown for 2 years, that is 1973 and 2003. You can even see how the total production has grown over the 30 years. So children, you all can see over here that this graph is showing the three different sectors, that is primary, secondary and tertiary, and the contribution, that is the contribution of each sector towards the GDP. And what we have seen that over the years, if we compare it from 1973 to 2003, you all can see that the tertiary sector has grown the maximum in comparison to the rest two sectors, that is primary sector and secondary sector. Now, what is the reason behind it? Now, what they are telling you, that over the 30 years, that is between 1973 and 2003, while production, if you all can see, in all the three sectors have increased. If we compare from 1973 to 2003, we find that the production has increased, no doubt. It has increased the most in the tertiary sector. And as a result, in the year 2003, the tertiary sector has emerged as the largest producing sector in India, replacing the primary sector. Now, what are the reasons behind this? Why this sector has grown over so many years? What are the reasons behind? So, they are telling you the tertiary sector has become so important, not even in our country, but throughout the world. There are a number of the reasons. If we talk about own country, so the very first reason that why the tertiary sector has got so much importance, the first one is that in any country there are several services which are required, like hospitals, schools, telegraph office, police station, municipal corporation, defense, banks, insurance companies, and so on. These are considered to be basic services. And in a country like India, the government has taken the responsibility for the provision of all these services, which have been provided only in the tertiary sector. Then if we come with the second reason, development of agriculture and industries has led to a development of number of the services like transport, trade, storage. Now, greater the development of primary and secondary sector, then more would be the demand for such services which are fulfilled only in the tertiary sector. Now, if you come towards the third one, that is due to the demand in income level, there is rise in services like tourism, eating out, that is restaurants, shopping, could be malls, private schools, private hospitals, or you can say professional trainings. Now, all these services have been sharply required in the big cities. And if we come with the fourth importance of a tertiary sector, that is over here, they are telling you that a new services which are based on information and communication technology have become the most important and essential. Now they are telling you that the production of these services are been increasing rapidly, and you know the reason that nowadays we cannot imagine our life without the information and technology. Most of you and me, most of us are dependent on these services for maximum work which we do in our day-to-day life. So well children, these are certain reasons due to which we find that apart from the three sectors, that is primary, secondary and tertiary, the tertiary sectors happens to be the most important service sector. Thank you.